Will there be a colorectal cancer vaccine soon? Imagine a future where a simple shot could help prevent or fight colorectal cancer. While that sounds promising, the reality is that a fully approved vaccine for colorectal cancer is not yet available. Researchers are actively working on this, and recent developments give us hope. Colorectal cancer develops when cells in the colon or rectum grow abnormally, often due to genetic mutations. One common mutation involves the CRAS gene, which appears in about half of all colorectal cancer cases. Scientists are exploring ways to target these mutations to help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells. One promising candidate is a vaccine called ELI-0022P. It is designed to stimulate the immune system to identify and destroy cells with the CRAS mutation. Early clinical trials have shown encouraging results. In these studies, the vaccine was safe and triggered a strong immune response in about 2/3 of participants. Those with a good immune response experienced longer periods without cancer recurrence and lived longer overall. The median relapse-free survival was over 16 months, and the median overall survival approached 29 months, which is better than typical outcomes for these cancers. This vaccine approach is different from traditional vaccines that protect against infectious diseases. Instead, it targets specific genetic changes that drive cancer growth. Because ELI-0022P is an off-the-shelf vaccine, it can be produced in advance and used broadly, making it potentially more accessible and less expensive than personalized options. Besides ELI-0022P, other types of vaccines are being studied, including peptide vaccines and mRNA vaccines. Peptide vaccines can be made quickly, while mRNA vaccines can be tailored to an individual's tumor for more precise treatment. Researchers are also exploring combining these approaches to improve effectiveness. However, it is important to remember that these vaccines are still in early trial phases. More research is needed to confirm their safety over the long term and to determine how best to use them. No colorectal cancer vaccine has yet received approval for routine use in prevention or treatment. For now, the best way to reduce your risk of colorectal cancer remains regular screening, healthy lifestyle choices, and following your healthcare provider's advice. If you have concerns about your risk or are interested in new treatments, always consult a medical professional. In summary, while a colorectal cancer vaccine is not yet available for everyday use, recent clinical trials show promising progress. Continued research will clarify when these vaccines might become part of standard care, offering new hope for colon health and cancer prevention in the future.